Hi, my name is Shivi George, and I'm an electrical engineering junior at Wayne State University.
Hi, my name is Marissa Mercer. I am a biomedical engineering senior.
Hi, my name is Dahlia, and I'm an industrial engineering major.
Hi, my name is Christina, and I am a civil engineering major in my senior year.
Hi, my name is Monty Diaz. I'm a senior in chemical engineering.
Hi, my name is Prachi Vesikar. I'm a graduate student from industrial engineering.
Hi, my name is Maheen Asker, and I'm a computer science senior.
Hi, my name is Catherine Della Porta. I am a mechanical engineering student, and I'm currently working on my master's degree.
I wanted to be an engineer for various reasons. One of the main reasons is because I've always been interested in the way things work. You know, it's really fascinating to just think about the world and the way everything like around us has been engineered. Like even this chair that I'm sitting on somehow was engineered and a lot of effort was put into making it. It's nice to see how much effort is put into something that's used so regularly.
I decided to go into computer science because I love inventing. There's a lot of majors out there like biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, industrial engineering, but what I loved about computer science was that it was all about problem solving.
Why did I want to be an engineer? For me, it's never really been about wanting to be an engineer per se. I've always loved building things, particularly mechanical things that do stuff. And doing things is sort of a very fuzzy concept because, like, you'd think a table just sits there, but it does a lot of stuff. So even these static objects that surround you every day do a lot of really important things. When I was growing up, most of my building things took the form of helping out with household repair and improvement projects. Sort of blows my mind is that for really simple objects all around us, like ballpoint pens and computer mouses, no one person actually knows how to make one, because you can look at the finished object and see it and say, okay, it has this plastic body and it has these internal parts, but then you need people who know how to design those individual pieces, people who make, for the plastic parts, the injection molds, and that's a completely different discipline from the design side. And then there's the people who design the machines that extract the oil from the ground to make the plastics, and those people don't make the plastics, those are other people. And so all of a sudden you've got all of these incredibly complex interacting systems.
I decided to go into civil engineering because I wanted to help everyone. I'd always been encouraged to go into medical school or the medical field because I'm a very passionate and a very compassionate person. I care a lot about everyone, but I knew I wanted to do something on such a large scale that the medical field wouldn't have been able to provide for me. So in civil engineering, I can build roads and bridges and buildings that can help and affect everyone, not just myself or a select group of people.
I decided to pursue industrial engineering because I had great interest in mathematics since my school days, and I wanted to apply that mathematical skills to some real life situations, and industrial engineering gave me this opportunity. In industrial engineering, we actually develop mathematical models to analyze the system for its quality and efficiency. It is just about continuously improving the performance of a system, the way in which things work. It's not just a technical work, it's about resource management and also people integration. So I enjoy industrial engineering.
And I decided to go into biomedical engineering because I was really interested in the field of medicine. Everyone in my family is involved in science and nursing and public safety. So I grew up in that environment, but I didn't really know what engineering was when I picked it as a major. I just knew that I was fascinated by the technology that biomedical engineering led to and the capacity to help a ton of people.
I've decided to go into electrical engineering because I enjoyed physics 2 material a lot in high school, and it totally fascinated me because the concept of electric fields, something that we don't see, but it exists.
Engineering is all about solving problems and making useful things that improve people's lives, and that is really what I've always wanted to do.
The thing which I like most about engineering is there is not a single correct solution for any problem. So we just learn to look at the thing from different perspective, and it keeps your creativity alive.
So something I like about studying engineering is the support system that they have here, especially at Wayne State. There are many different organizations that you can be a part of and many different types of engineers that you can get to know. And everybody helps each other out. There's always somebody there to give you a helping hand. And if you need any advice, there's somebody there. You never really run out of options. There's the counselors, there's people from different organizations, different engineers. You know, it's all there available for you.
What I like best about studying engineering is the challenge. I am a very goal-oriented, achievement-oriented person, and I really like having something that isn't immediately easy. It's always interesting, and it's always fun to learn something new and innovative, and it's great to be able to say, well, I first worked on this project before anyone else.
I enjoy being creative, innovative, and using my critical thinking skills throughout all my engineering classes.
I'd say start now. Really, really start now. If your school has a LEGO robotics team, a VEX robotics team, a FIRST robotics team, or any other engineering competition team, join that team, get involved. There's lots of different opportunities now for kids. If you're interested in coding, if you're interested in maybe environmental outreach and engineering, there's a lot of different opportunities to really start learning about all of the skills that you don't necessarily get everything from your books and your classes in college. There's a lot of stuff that you really have to learn hands-on by experience.
If I were to give a piece of advice to high school students pursuing engineering, I would say go for it. There aren't nearly enough people in the field as of now, and a lot of people don't know, but you can go into anything from race car driving to being an astronaut or designing a spaceship to fashion design, and it's all up to you because engineering has so many different disciplines.
If I were to give a piece of advice to high school students who are willing to go into engineering, that would be create your own opportunities, follow your heart, be enthusiasts, give up your fears, be confident, face challenges, and aim higher.
Just go for it. I don't have any engineers in my family. I had nobody to look up to or didn't really even know what engineering was. I just saw the end product of it and all of this amazing technology and advancements in all different fields that I was like, wow, that's really cool. I'd love to know how to create that. I had no experience working on cars. I had not been on a robotics team. I just knew that I really liked science and that I was good at math. And so I'd say just jump in and go for it. There are so many people in different student organizations and at the college that are there to help you. And if it's something you're passionate about, just dive in.
I would tell them not to limit themselves, just consider all the options that are available, because engineering is a very, very broad term. There are so many different things that you can do if you're an engineer. And study hard, have fun, make sure it's what you want to do.
I would say you should give it a try. There's a lot of opportunities to get involved in STEM. You can volunteer, you can try different classes. It's up to you how you want to take that path.
You don't need to know exactly what you want to do. As long as you have a problem you want to solve or a set of things that you know you're good at, anything, math, science, physics, even the medical field with biomedical engineering, if you have a problem you want to fix, there's an engineering type that can meet that problem. And everyone thinks they have to be a doctor in order to cure cancer, when in reality, if you can genetically synthesize a different type of virus to attack only cancer cells, that's pretty biomedical engineering to me.
Be you. If you're passionate about the science and math, let nothing stop you. What the society says, what your parents say, what your friends say. Advice is important, but it is very important to find your passion, because that's the only place where you will be sincere with what you're doing and your service to the society.
So when I think about being a woman in the field of engineering, I really think, why not? There's nothing that's special about me being a woman. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer.
I think empowering.
And I think we bring a lot of creativity into a technical field.
I think about innovation.
I think pushing the limit.
I think about empowerment.
Intellectually, men and women can perform equally. So, and I would say that still there are very few active women in this field, so we have got a chance to make remarkable contribution and be remembered.
When I think about being a woman in the field of engineering, I mean, I've never really thought that it was anything weird. So, I think anyone can be an engineer. That's what I think.